Learn English with Om Nom.
Blue. Cyan. Orange. Yellow. Medium. Large. Extra large. Tiny. Small. Medium. Large. Extra large. I wonder what Om Nom is up to today. Wow! An arcade machine! Let's begin! Learn alphabets with Om Nom! Woohoo! Om Nom! A B C D E. Keep going.
Press the red button to start the game. Next level.
F G H I J K L M N O.
Keep going.
P Q R S T.
Press the red button to resume.
U V W X Y, Z.
Game over.
Good job, Om Nom. Bye. Blue. Yellow. Green.
Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? That looks like fun. What are they? Are they ice cream cones? Oh, it looks just like a football, doesn't it, Om Nom? One blue ice cream scoop. Pink. One. Two. Two pink scoops of ice cream. One. Two, three scoops of yellow ice cream, my favourite colour. Om Nom, where are you going? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scoops of purple ice cream. Om Nom, come back. Look, it's the same colour as you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of green Om Nom ice cream. I'm not sure you're supposed to climb it though, Om Nom.
Learn English with Om Nom.